by all the standards. It is young democracy that needs assistance to build the right institutions to stem it is fragile democratic system. Historically, young democracies go through the many ups and downs in their path to establish sustainable system. Needless to say, U.S. had its share during the American Civil War. One of the ways that could be assist a country to reach that end is to have education, population, and a united vision. Of course, the same is needed for the building sustainable economic and providing public service. However, before any these goals could be achieved, security must be improved and genuine steps must be taken toward this. In August 2012, a new president was elected. I had lost a parliamentary election. As a result, I have accepted the defeat and handed over the power to the newly elected President Hassan Sheikh, and the act that was last seen in 1967 when our first President Aden Abdullahi Ousmane did same and set new democratic transition of power in Africa. To mention this peace and to gain on it is will need all the help that we can get, especially from the Somali communities in the diaspora. We need programs to encourage them as their knowledge and appeal to their sense of duty to help this young nation that is in danger of the not finding way out. We also say to those that are fighting the government who are being in this stabilizing the country to put down their weapons and become part of the broad positive movement to rebuild our great nation, so we can all live in peace and harmony. I am more than helpful that we can achieve a greatness if we pull together and use our love country, our sense of duty of save another generation that otherwise will be lost in the hopelessness and the fear. Our darkness days are behind us. Our nation is ready to be part of the peace-loving community of the nation and such up with the 21st century. Thank you. Different. So the important thing here, how we come together to the ground to see from one side.
students here, they get good opportunity to know the education and technology and how they can move forward. But in Africa, they try, but they didn't reach this level. In Africa, now there are organizations trying to educate the people how they come together and how they help each other and how education is come strong and helpful. In my country, 20 years, they didn't get enough education. They didn't get enough security. They didn't get enough food. They didn't get enough job. But as you know, they do something. They do business. They do good telecommunications. They do hawala or money exchanges. They do Somali society. They know the business. And Somalia, they have many resources. Our country is young, our society is young, but during the conflict and the civil war, many educated people come to Western country and they started their education here, and now we are looking to bring him back to help the people, to do something there. So this opportunity created chance to know each other and to visit those countries to see how the people they work, how the people they think, how the people they learn. Because young people here, I think they have everything, but there in Somalia, in Africa, they don't have everything, but they try to do something. So I appreciate this opportunity. I wanted to say my English is poor, but I think you get something, so thank you very much.